Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday, the 24th of February, 2021. I've had it. Look at me. I've had it. Look at me. Look at it. I've had it. For almost 10 years. It'll be 10 years in May. We've got this garbage collector. Same guy all these years. Every Wednesday morning about 5:45, I hear his garbage truck backing down the access road on the side of the Rancho, where there's a few apartments. There's probably 10 cans to be empty. General garbage, not the recycle for those of you who know what that is, not the yard waste for those of you who know what that is, but the general garbage. And number one, he can't drive in head first into the road because there's no turnaround point for it. So he's got to swing out on the main road and then back down the service road on the here on the side. And of course, then you hear beep, beep, beep. He's slowly backing up, trying not to take out the fence, and and you just hear those backups, and that's pretty annoying, right? And what was really bad is Wednesdays used to be my day off, and it was like, oh my God, how fortunate am I, right? I got this guy. There's no way you can sleep, right? When this thing's backing up at you, it's like your alarm clock going off. So it'll get down to the end, go forward and start forking the garbage cans, the general garbage cans. He'll lift them up, dump them over the top, and then start to swing it down. But instead of lowering it all the way to the ground for almost 10 years, this guy waits till it's like right at the peak, and then he just does a dead drop from about 6 feet. And you hear these cans, boom, boom. And it really sounds like muffled kind of cannon fire till it gets right next to the Rancho. And then the whole house is vibrating as these things. And it is loud AF. Okay, I'm not kidding. Well, I had it today, and I went outside. I'm finally, I see this guy coming down the alley. I hear the first boom. I whipple my pants real quick. And I run outside. I'm like, I'm gonna talk to this dude, right? I'm gonna tell him, see, hey man, why can't you just like gently? So I get out there. I wait till he comes up on the side of the ranch. I'm like, morning. He gives me a big, big smile. Oh, hey. Give each other a big smile. And I start going to my lecture. I said, my dude, why can you not, when you take the trash cans, why do you insist on dropping them from about 6 feet and having them slam the ground? It's terrible. I've been hearing this for almost 10 years now, and I'm going on and on for 3 minutes, and he's sitting in the truck, he's just kind of smiling and, checking me out. Yay. Finally, I'm done giving my lecture on how you should properly do your job, right? And I'm waiting for his response, and we're just kind of looking at each other. I'm looking at him, right? He's looking at me, and we just have 30 seconds, 40 seconds of silence. And I said, well, and he said, have a good day. He took off there. He took off and continued to boom the other two cans on. I just threw up my hands. I mean, the guy doesn't even speak English, right? And he's being real nice. And then we're in this standoff, googly-eyed at each other. And just sometimes you just have to admit when you are defeated and live with it. All right, guys, a little laugh on a Wednesday morning. Yeah, sometimes Rosie has some legendary communication problems here in the hood, but it's all good. People on the job, people getting it done, and I appreciate that, right? Boom. Have a good day.